Hi y'all, your friend Walter here, back at you from the workshop. Today, just want a real quick one on getting my 043 record cleaned and polished and finally have all the parts. Thank you, Jim. So what is this little thing, you're probably asking? Well, it's a plow plane. It's a miniature plow plane used for small grooves. You may be making a jewelry box, a drawer, and you need a 1/4 inch or smaller groove. So by the time you dig out a router, find the right router bit, find an extension cord, chase across the shop, plug it in, put the bit in, make a test pass on a scrap piece. I'm done. There you go. Depth stop, bottomed out. That's done. So as you can see, the modern day version, which is the LuBan 043, was copied off of it. Very close, couple new advantages, but extremely close in design. In fact, I would venture to guess that the fence will fit on this one. In fact, I took the blade out of the LuBan to fit in the 043 because I didn't have a set for the 043 record. So if you need a small plow plane to do grooves, even small rebates, and you want something light, small, and quick, try to find an 043 record through eBay or any one of the other online sites. And if not, if you're in a country where you can get the LuBan 043, that's great. We were able to bring a few of them in under the radar here, but I don't know how many more we can get in here in the United States. It's one of those strange deals. Won't get into it here. But I got a couple extra parts. I got a couple extra rods, a couple extra screws, and these screws, this is from an older version. These screws would have been in here. So if you happen to have an older one and you need these screws, contact me, because these are spares for me now. This is all spares, and we're good to go. Well, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate it. I'm humbled by the number of people that are actually watching these videos, and I look forward to doing more. So any questions or comments, suggestions for topics, write to me. Let me know. That's all for tonight. Walter out.